These are the compact, bright, extremely power efficient cube lights by K&F. This is the RGB light and the dual color temperature light. It features two knob controls for easy adjustment. Power the light on with a simple twist and fine-tune secondary settings like brightness percentage, color temperature, the full color spectrum in RGB mode, and multiple lighting effects, perfect for enhancing your creative video productions. These lights are impressively bright for its size, even in RGB modes. I've experimented extensively with them for various photography and videography projects, and they've really helped. The USB-C charging even allows you to power the light while in use, giving you almost unlimited runtime. Plus, the two quarter-inch screws make it easier to mount on stands or clamps. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hands-on videos about gadgets and photography tips. Inside the box, you get a lanyard, USB-C power cable, and a cold shoe adapter for effortless camera mounting. The dual color temperature light shares all the same settings except the RGB capabilities. It even has an additional quick preset at 5600 Kelvin, allowing you to instantly switch to daylight balance temperature for fast shoots, saving you time on adjustments. Both lights also feature built-in magnets, allowing you to mount them on any metal surface with ease. Check out these lights in the description below, and if you want to see more real-world examples of how I've used them, head over to my photography tips playlist.